All right, last set. What is A? And don't say 1. Look it up if you don't, if you have to. So you should have told me that A is the lead coefficient. I think you need to know that for the test, so make sure. What is the factoring technique you will use called? Here, y'all either guessed and checked also, or the majority of you used the box method, which I suggest. Okay, so I'm going with the box method because that's the way the majority of y'all do it. 6y squared, negative 5 there. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. I need the factors of negative 30 that will get us to negative 13. 1 and 30, 2 and 15. 2 and 15 will do it. I want my 15 negative. Negative 15 and negative 5, I can take a negative 5 out. 6 and 2, I can take a 2. I can also take a y. 6 and 15, I can take a 3. I can also take a y. 2y and negative 5, I can only take a 1. Your set is 2y minus 15, 3y plus 1. Next set. 2n squared, 12. Multiplying them together, you get 24. Your signs are both negative, so we don't need to consider that. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Those are our factors. 3n, 8n. 3 and 12 is a 3. 2 and 8 is a 2. You also have an n. 2 and 3 is nothing, but you have an n. 8 and 12, you have a 4. Again, everything is subtraction. And that was your answer. (3x squared, negative 8). Multiply them together, you get negative 24. I'm looking for a positive and a negative, so I'm finding the difference to equal 2. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. 4 and 6 will do it. I want my bigger number to be positive, so 6x and negative 4x. 6 and 8 is 2. 3 and 4 is a 1, but you have an x. 3 and 6 is 3. You also have an x. Negative 4 and negative 8 is a negative 4. Your two sets of parentheses are x plus 2, 3x minus 4. One more to go. Negative 6, negative 4, 32, those are all even, and we do not like to start with a negative, so let's factor out a negative 2. We also have a's in all three of them, so let's take one a out. 1 because there's only one there. This leaves behind a positive 3, a squared. Took your negative out, so now I'm positive. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Took 1a, so I have an a left. Was positive, but I took a negative. I need another negative. 32 divided by 2 is 16, and I took the a away. So now we're boxing that group. 3a squared, negative 16. Multiply them together. 6 times 3 is 8. 3, 48, negative. So I'm going to have a positive and a negative. And I'm going for 2. Well, 4 and 12. 5, 6, and 8. 6 and 8 will do it. I want my larger number positive. My other number negative. 8 and 16 is 8. 3 and 6 is 3a. 3 and 8 is nothing, but I have an a. Negative 6 and negative 16 is a negative 2. So your answer is 3a plus 8, a minus 2. Don't forget that you had to have carried down your GCF or it is wrong. That is your homework.